This is Ross from Detroit, and you're watching The Daily Grind.
I see a sky with a rainy car, but I'm not running.
Yo, good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? It is bright and early today, and it's another family fun vlog day. My family's here until Tuesday, so I don't get to spend a lot of time with them, so I really wanted to try to spend as much as I can with them. But today we're gonna actually take them to a couple places. I want to take them to the escape room that we've built and have them like beta test it for me. They've never done, my sister's never done one, so I think this will be kind of interesting. And later tonight we're gonna go have some dinner at a place called Brodart. You've seen us go there before, but long as intro. If you guys are still watching after this intro, leave a fucking comment below and tell me the first video that you saw of me. What do you remember the first video? I'm kind of curious. Let's get the day going. Yeah. Currently in Home Depot. Let me show you guys different lighting techniques. Watch this. Orange lighting. See, this is how I look with orange light. And then over here, you've got more of a harder bluish white light that makes the scene look a little bit different. When you guys are filming in stores, this is kind of what I do. I find really good lighting in certain areas, and then I just kind of film what I can. And then this is really nice ceiling lighting. Makes you look nice and soft. Okay, the real mission today is not lighting. It's actually find locks for the escape room. Morning wood. I swear, everywhere I go, where I live, there's always a really cool car. That's why I should always carry my camera.
I don't wanna put a stick out and bug out. Now she wanna put my dick out and fuck now. Flip my wrist like I'm a bitch now. That bust down, pull up in that 96 Crown.
The amount of carbon on this car is insane. The owner's not here, so I can't really tell if it's like real carbon, but there's a lot of carbon.
With the windows down, I don't wanna put a stick out and bug out. Now she wanna put my dick out and fuck now. Flip my wrist like I'm a bitch now.
I want to respect this car, not touch it. But this might be a carbon pattern here. But even one of the arms are carbon right down here.
That bust down, pull up in that 96 Crown. I come in the summer, mate, and drop my name. Fuck that bitch, I made that grave all over me. Took a little hit of speed, that's all I need.
Tell me what happened this morning. Tell me. Come here. Come talk to me. Tell me what happened. Let's sit and talk. Well, apparently, come sit. Apparently, these people decided to give her cookies.
Cookies, cereal, hot Cheetos, and sour ribs.
And orange high C.
And orange high C.
You guys know that's all sugar.
It's only
Come
like...
here. And now she's spitting. Come here.
No.
Come here.
Look. On to the next one.
No, she is hopped up on sugar.
Yeah, thank you.
Yesterday was my mom's first time experiencing autopilot with Iris. Second time experiencing autopilot all together with Tesla. First time with me. She says it's very nice. It's very cool. She's very happy and proud, she says. She doesn't speak English. She speaks English a little bit.
Yes.
She speaks English. She understands.
Happy.
She's playing.
Happy Michael.
She's happy. When you toy?
63.
That's how old she is? She's 63 years old. See the resemblance?
Oh, is this all that's...
If you guys don't know, or if you guys want to get your hair done, Sacramento, where are you at
Yes,
now?
I'm at Sacramento Barbering Company in Old Sacramento downtown.
She does really good hair.
Yes.
I won't let her touch my head though.
He does his own, to be
Yeah,
fair, so he
but-
doesn't let anybody touch
Yeah,
his.
but
Oh, it's right here.
let's check this place out. This
Your
place is cool.
regular is 18.
Yeah, we're gonna haircut like a 1, you know, at 9:13.
They charge how much?
18.
How much do you charge?
Our standard cuts go from $40 and up, so.
What is this?
Rice, salad,
Say it again?
me to tell that story?
You just did. I called it. I told you they'll tell the story this weekend.
You're 10 years old and you're still playing with your toys. And mom's carrying this bowl of rice, following you around.
I don't, but I'm trying.
10 years old.
Yeah, I was playing games, video games.
Yes.
Yeah. I told you guys they would tell the story this weekend. They tell the story
He was boxed water
No hell no.
before he even knew he was boxed.
Escape room number 2. Tell me how cute this is. Hey guys, consider this. Aaliyah's second car drives itself. Not crazy. My mom and my sister decided to go to the casino instead of swim. So now we're not swimming. I just wanted to hang out. Well, instead of swimming, we're gonna head over to Torrin's niece's birthday party.
The hell is this? What is this? Ew.
We are at Mai's kitchen, the family. But baby Aaliyah, you guys seeing the flood reflection.
We are eating at this strange place. It's supposed to be good. Thought after. Stuff that I don't know how to cook at home.
My sister has super high expectations when it comes to food. True?
I'll tell you if this place is good or not. When I'm done eating.
Acting like she didn't grow up poor and just happy to have food. This is going to be an episode of a lot of food. Alright guys, we've got a lot of food here. We got tikka, ganchul, we got some beef. What else we have? We have gatkal, which is like catfish. Okay, and we have broccoli. This is my food. This is the family. I'll show you guys dad life. I'm eating.
So I'm addicted to coffee. Uncle Mike thinks it's a bad thing. I think it's a good thing. Shout out to all my coffee drinkers. I'm more of a Starbucks coffee drinker, but Vietnamese coffee is probably the second best coffee I've had compared to like cups of sugar. Hi, Mama. Up.
Did you have a good dinner? I think this is my fourth meal today in like 6 hours. Yeah?
She like goes to bed and wakes up either at a crazy ass party with food or at a restaurant with food, and she's ready. She's ready to party. She's ready to eat. Whatever. Oh.
Are you gonna hop up on the coffee?
Oh yeah, I feel better.
She has a coffee addiction, guys.
See, I told you. I already told them.
Oh.
I did.
So you have a coffee addiction?
Yeah,
Okay.
and that you think it's a bad thing, but it's not.
No, I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it's an expensive habit. But yeah, it could be worse. You could be doing cocaine. Blah,
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah.
Is that a GTR?
Woo, Johnny boy, get out the way!
Oh, sorry.
GTR! Oh, I like you so much. Give me. Oh, hi. What's that? Oh, look at the GTR. It's so nice. Damn, bro, you young, homie.
Oh, we got the Gucci
What you? Gucci shoes.
Gucci.
You got Gucci shoes. Yeah, bro. Yo, I like your car. That's nice. Okay, I'll put the camera down. I'm 2018 GTR. Bro, you're curbing your fucking wheels though. Curbing his wheels in the spot. I don't want to be rude and go up to his car right now. But I'm pretty careless about my cars, but I really try not to curb them.
I'm gonna die.
Oh my god, this guy pulled up all the way past the curb stop. Oh, so pretty. Fuck, he's gonna fuck up his car. Hey, what is that car? Anyone recognize that car? It's all wrapped up in the camo, kind of like a manufactured camo. Look. Taillights. Someone tell me what car this is. It's a manufactured car. What are you? What are you? Name it, V. What is it?
It's a Mercedes.
Mercedes?
Yeah. There's no emblem on the front, but
Yeah.
it's a Mercedes.
What is that? So we ended up in Long Beach again. We're gonna go up to one of the tall buildings, Omar's penthouse upstairs, just to hang out for a bit. All the way up.
You're so mean. You're so mean.
What's up, buddy?
Come on in.
We can see where we're parked.
Oh, like
Right over there. Ooh, show you guys the outside really quick. Hopefully you guys aren't afraid of heights. Look at this view. Super nice.
Trying to eat?
The rooftop pool. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna push you in.
That view is sick.
Okay. Okay. Magic. Ow.
Wait, what the heck? That's just from your fingers?
It's sorcery.
You're a wizard, Harry.
I'm a wizard.
Whoa. Dude, it's like you're playing a game. Look at this place. We just picked up some late dinner, but didn't realize he has like a pool table. What is this called? Foosball? You have a little lounge spot, gym, ping pong table. It's a cool spot. Dart.
Zero chance.
Right here.
Oh.
Hey, you're still.
Competitive.
What do you have here? What do you have here? Hey, baby.